Ka tanat ka kot ka khia jong sarkar jala kan sa pentelun ya ka phase basan jong ka Mhis 5 ya ka bala shimrai ha ka jingilang bala depan penlong ha conference hall jong ka secretariat man ha ka khandai tarik ubnai jemang arjar arpar ya ka bala peniai daw sampat kumar IAS ubade principal secretary ka tanat ka kot ka khia jong sarkar jala nagalyang jong nonglum khubor balayo banyakaran bad principal secretary ka tanat ka kot ka khia sampat kumar IAS ulai thu bag Mhis 5 La Pyniasoh lang bad ka Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana hak bakin don hadu lailak saupun nyojar telig longyeng hak jala kiban yo Jingmyntoi nak nek skim Sumar jong ka sarkar kat kum kate ki jingete menta ka dei ka balakhot ban thep tender thamai ki company ki ba thamai yuthu uteu he sarkar ulai thu ru bah ka face ka basau ka tender layo da Reliance General Insurance Company Limited kabla order hadu 1000 hendrus pa laipo tengka sisnem na kawai kekan bansiu ko sarkar ya ka baisha Sumar ka Megha Health Insurance Scheme lanek Mhis kabalaya solang bad ka Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana kan buria ya ka baisha Sumar jong webriu hadu sanlak kawai ka longyeng ya ke jinglut on buria khandai 4% na ka sarkar pedeng but 10% na ka sarkar jala hak bakane kan Jingmyntoi ya ki pralak teli ki longyeng but lailak 1000 ki longyeng baduk ha ka jala lait no kinong trei sarkar Henry hakini ka kanti ke momenta ka sarkar kaliat da kelenti ke bathamai ha ka bala de ban khot ye company bathamai ban Pyniasoh bat shu usampat kumar ulai thu bagana ka banta ki paitba banyo ye jingtip ka batkena halor ka jing pentre kam bat ki kendon ulong ba kilong kumju kum ha ka phase 4 bat lapharu sha ki hospital sarkar bat ki hospital jong ki riushimet ban Pyniasoh ye kene ka skim Mhis bat kumju kene Mhis 5 Kantri kamru hakiwei pat ki hospital jong ki pat ki jala ladadon ki pat ba jong ka jala ki belaj ban Sumar shiki wei pat ki jala jong ka ri India yetu sampat kumar IAS.
Bye. Updating the entire Mhis benefits package, and we are going for a fresh tender process. So that's like for Mhis phase 5, which is going to be implemented very soon. It like in a month we'll be completing this entire process, and the Mhis phase 5 will start. But like broadly, the same. What we have, the kind of each family has got a coverage of up to 5 lakhs. So that and we are in collaboration with Prime Minister's Jan Arogya Yojana. It's called Ab-Pmjay, right? So we are going to implement that Mhis. Fourth phase, in fact, in terms of the coverage, we have actually covered close to 60% of the households in terms of the registration, and out of them, actually quite a large number, over 1.6 lakh households have got the benefit. Both actually, it's both government hospitals and also private hospitals will be covered under the Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme. This is actually, we are providing a kind of a universal health coverage in a way. Any hospital, because by and large the hospitals which are known hospitals within Meghalaya, they have already been enrolled under Mhis. They have already been working, and it's a quite a empowering scheme, because it's benefiting a lot of people from the poorer backgrounds. Because this gives a lot of, it is taking away their out-of-pocket expenses. It's a very important scheme. In fact, as I said, like over 100 crores annually we are spending on health insurance scheme. It's a continuous. There will not be any break. In fact, there will not be any break. It will smoothly continue. Basically, fifth phase means basically we are going to, take a fresh insurance companies who are going to manage this entire scheme. So that is the process that is happening, and also we also look at what are the benefits that are going to be covered under the scheme. We are trying to give a little more focus on even for preventive healthcare. So this is another new thing that is coming up through Mhis. The fresh tender process is happening, and through that actually we will identify an appropriate company for handling this one. They have already bid many in fact.